We're moving to Anulom Vilom, which is going to help you balance your nervous system. It's going to tap into your Surya Nadi and your Chandra Nadi, which is your Ida and your Pingda, the two energy channels that run through your right and your left nostril. We're going to balance them out through the practice of Anulom Vilom. Again, I'll demonstrate it to you once. First, just look at what I'm doing and then you can practice with me. You'll sit in a comfortable meditative pose, either lotus, half lotus, or sukhasana, whichever feels comfortable to you. And then with your right hand, you'll make a Vishnu Mudra. So to make a Vishnu Mudra, you are going to make a fist with your first and second finger and just keep your thumb and the last two fingers open. And from here, you'll close your right nostril, inhale through your left, close your left, exhale through your right. Inhale through right, close your right, exhale through left. And that's your one round of Anulom Vilom. We're going to practice 5 breaths of Anulom Vilom. You can keep your eyes open or closed, whatever is comfortable to you. So let's get started. You'll either place your left hand on your knee or you can make a Chin Mudra with your left hand, your Vishnu Mudra with your right hand. So the first 2 fingers are closed and the thumb and the last 2 fingers are open. Close your eyes. Inhale through your left nostril. Close your left. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Close your right. Exhale through left. Inhale. Close your left. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Close your right. Exhale through left. Inhale through left. Close. Exhale through right. Inhale right. Close. Exhale left. 2 more rounds. Inhale left. Close. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close. Exhale left. Last round. Inhale left. Close. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close. Exhale left. Relax your hand back down. Come back to your regular breath.